Detox diets exposed. The truth about body cleansing. Every January, millions resolve to purge, cleanse, and ultimately renew their bodies and spirits with the latest detox diet. Yet, what lies behind the glossy facade of these trendy detoxification schemes is a narrative far removed from miraculous health transformations they promise. While detox diets are worshipped as modern-day elixirs of health, science often sings a starkly different tune. It's time to peel back the layers of these so-called magical cures and expose the reality that resides beneath. What is a detox diet? Popularized by celebrity endorsements and relentless media attention, detox diets often promise rapid weight loss, enhanced energy, and a glowing complexion. Typically, they involve a period of fasting followed by a strict diet of fruits, vegetables, juices, and water. Some even recommend herbs, teas, and supplements purported to enhance the body's ability to cleanse itself. Despite their allure, many of these diets lack a solid foundation in nutritional science. They often lead to restrictive eating patterns that can cause more harm than benefit, especially if followed for prolonged periods. The science behind detoxification. Detoxification, the body's process of neutralizing or eliminating toxins, is a fundamental aspect of human biology. It's a sophisticated process managed primarily by the liver and supported by the kidneys, lungs, intestines, and skin. Instead of needing external assistance to detox, our bodies are already equipped with complex systems specifically designed to handle toxins. Modern science shows that, while specific diets can support these organs, the idea of flushing toxins from fat, muscle, or organs through restrictive dietary interventions is largely unsupported by evidence. Myths and misconceptions of detox diets. Many detox programs are built on a shaky foundation of myths. For instance, the idea that the body requires periodic cleansing diets to maintain health isn't just scientifically unfounded. It could lead to unhealthy eating behaviors. Another popular but incorrect belief is that certain foods or supplements can significantly accelerate toxin removal over the body's natural processes. These misconceptions not only misguide, but also risk overshadowing the importance of balanced, sustainable eating practices. The liver, a powerhouse of detoxification, converts toxic substances into harmless agents, while the kidneys filter out waste as urine. The intestines remove toxins through feces, and even our skin plays a role by releasing toxins through sweat. Understanding these natural processes highlights the redundancy of most commercial detox products. Regular physical activity, staying hydrated, and eating a well-balanced diet are more than sufficient for maintaining these systems. Extreme detoxification practices not only lack scientific backing, but can also lead to serious health repercussions. These include nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, and an imbalanced gut microbiota. Even more dangerously, the psychological fixation on purifying. The body can spiral into obsessive habits, negating the perceived benefits of detox diets. From the master cleanse to juice fasts, popular detox diets have been reviewed and critiqued by nutrition experts. While short-term use might appear harmless or even rejuvenating, any substantial evidence of long-term benefits remains elusive. Moreover, these diets often result in temporary weight loss, primarily due to water and muscle loss, not from sustainable or healthy fat loss. Certain foods do support detoxification, but not in the way many detox diets suggest. Fiber-rich foods, for instance, enhance intestinal activity, and antioxidants in fruits and vegetables support cellular health, including that of detox organs. By adopting a diet focused on diversity and nutrient density, individuals can substantially boost their natural detoxification systems without resorting to extreme, unfounded dietary restrictions. The psychological allure of detox diets often stems from their promise of quick and tangible results. However, the mental health implications of these diets are rarely discussed. They can trigger or exacerbate disordered eating patterns and create unrealistic expectations about diet and health. The business of detox, a commercial perspective. Detox diets have become a lucrative industry, capitalizing on consumer insecurities and desires for quick health fixes. This commercialization raises ethical concerns, as many products and regimens are marketed without adequate scientific substantiation or consideration for potential health risks. Expert opinions and research findings. Several health organizations and nutrition experts have critically assessed detox diets, often condemning them as ineffective and potentially harmful. Research studies have consistently demonstrated that the purported benefits of detox diets are predominantly based on anecdotal evidence rather than robust scientific data. Healthier alternatives to detox diets. Instead of adopting drastic detox measures, health professionals advocate for moderate, consistent lifestyle changes. These include eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods, engaging in regular physical activity, ensuring adequate hydration, and getting enough sleep. Conclusion: the path forward. In a world increasingly drawn to quick fixes and sensational health claims, the allure of detox diets is understandable. However, the true path to sustained health doesn't come from extreme dietary regimens, but from understanding and supporting the body's natural processes. The key is not to detox, but to nourish, not to restrict, but to balance. By focusing on a balanced, varied diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, we can naturally support our body's detoxification systems. Drinking plenty of water, getting regular exercise, and ensuring a good night's sleep are equally crucial. These practices do not only enhance our body's natural ability to detoxify, but also promote overall health and well-being. In conclusion, it's essential for individuals to critically evaluate the claims of detox diets and to seek information from reliable, science-backed sources. Health is a lifelong journey, and adopting sustainable practices that support the body's natural systems is the most effective way to ensure vitality and longevity. Let's choose paths that lead to genuine health transformations, grounded in science and conducive to our overall well-being.